So today we're gonna talk about how to make your own bridle. Watch this.
Alright guys, as much as you want to see Kimmy do this whole video, it's just easier for me to do it.
Shut up!
She doesn't want to do it.
Shut up!
So what we're going to talk today about is making your own bridle out of your own lines using rolling hitches. And it's a little safer that way because it's easy to cut off. If you have any problems, you can just let the bridle go and it's still tied to the anchor line, and there away you go. So right now you saw Kim push the anchor in, and the anchor was already tied up to this line. So now this is holding the whole boat. What we do is we have this eye here with a line tied to it, and then this line is tied off to the anchor line. Already pre-tied, so when we throw the anchor in the water, it's already tied off to the length that we need. And then as soon as the anchor hooks, then we tie the bridle off to it, and then untie this, let the bridle take the weight, and then we can set the anchor.
So those are our bridle lines. It's the same line our main sheets are made of, so it's quite strong. And yeah, we attach them here to those cleats. You want to watch me do that?
Yeah.
And James attached this shaving protection.
Chafing, yeah.
Chafing protection, so that they don't get all up by the
bow roller.
No, it works like this. From here. And we're attaching it with a rolling hitch, right?
Yep.
So you go underneath, over it twice. I guess the boat just will know. And then like this. I did it a second time, just because it was so fun. So I done the first time. So, and you want to put this around the inner cleat. I mean, that's how we do it anyways. So you go around, over, and ta-da! This is a cleat hitch. Now we do it on the other side. That's easy.
Okay, next one.
Through the roller. Okay, the right side. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Look at this, James.
That is a really good one.
Getting better and better. Voila! Now we're gonna take the nut up to the anchor chain so that it's actually the bridle that holds the boat. Let's test it out. And this one is way too short.
Yeah, we can fix that. A little bit longer.
Yep.
Yep, that's good.
Okay.
You ready? All right, now that you have your bridle set up, what happens when you have problems? With this bridle setup, it's really easy to take care of those problems. If you have a big front come in and it's blowing 50, 60 knots and your anchor starts dragging and you can't get it up by hand and your windlass won't get it up,
It's coming right for us, riding down the hatches.
you can actually just drop your entire line really easy with this system. First, you want to get it back, so tie a fender to the anchor line with a clove hitch.
Are anchors that expensive?
Yeah, very. It's like $1,000 just this line and anchor.
Wow.
Now we can take our anchor line, throw our entire line into the water. The most important thing is to save the boat. So if you have any huge problems, cut this line, cut the other line, let your anchor line go, and then you can come back for it as long as you tie it off a buoy to it. Don't forget that part. That's an important part.
Okay.
All right, so another really cool part about having a bridle system like this is you can make a little swing. With the rest of the anchor line, you just let it out a little bit so somebody can sit in there, and then you tie it off. And it's good to have a redundant tie on your anchor line anyway, just in case both of your bridle lines break.
No, I didn't say that.
I mean, it could happen.
It's gonna have fun.
So now there's a rolling hitch on here, and we can get into that swing.
Phew.
If I can't be my own, I feel better. All right, let's talk about cost. If you buy this pre-made bridle system from Mantis, it's $219. But then you got to buy an anchor hook also. That's another 130 bucks. If you use your own lines, good anchor line is about $1 a foot. Times that by 2 and you've got a savings of almost $300. Okay, the first knot you need to know is the rolling hitch. That's the most important knot for this video anyway. We're going to pretend that this is the anchor line or anchor chain. It works on the chain too. And this is the front, the bow of the boat. This is the aft. And this is the starboard bridle line. So you need to leave about a foot of a painter. You go underneath, you go back aft and around twice. 1, 2, and then you go the same direction and put it forward and through. Okay? And then you just tighten up the whole knot. That allows 2 bites to stop this line from moving when it's pulled tight. So now it won't slip this way and it'll hold the anchor line. So this is the anchor going out this direction, and this is the bridle on each side of the boat. To do it on the port side, it's just exactly the opposite. So you'll be coming from this direction, you go over, you go under the line, back around twice, and then continue the same rotational direction forward and through. Okay? So for the cleat hitch, there's a lot of ways to tie this one too. This is the way I like it. You take it around the cleat, you make one round turn, make a U with it, and then go over, and then wrap it under itself to lock it. All right, that's how I like it done on my boat. It's really easy to do this backwards. If you turn it the wrong direction and you lash it like this, that's what it looks like. That's not correct. You want this line to be over 2 parallel lines. Just like that, 2 parallel lines with a bite on top. Okay? Bonus knot tying. I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap up my bridle lines when I'm finished with them for storage. So just take a little bit of the line, roll her up, leave a good sized painter, about 2 of these rolls, wrap it around, grab it with your hand, wrap it up through, take it up through like that, and then tie a double knot with it. Now I have something to hang it on. It's neatly tied up. It's not wound up. You don't have to wind it up 100 times. And to get it out, it's real simple. I pull this out, I pull this out, and I pull this out. And now I have the whole line. It's not tangled up. All right. Hey guys, we just want to let you know that we finally got shirts. These are our SV Zingaro official crew tees, and we're giving them away to all of our $20 and up patrons. And if you guys would like to help us out with our journey and purchase one, you can go to this link, and it's bonfire.com. They have excellent customer service, and they're cool people, and they're pretty cool shirts.
They're cool shirts, huh?
Yeah. Kimmy designed the shirt. We sent in a real crude hand line drawing, and yeah, this is what they came up with. We think they're pretty rad. Hey, thanks guys for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope this saves you some money on your bridles. If you'd like to see any more of our videos, please click on one of these 2 links. And don't forget to hit subscribe right here. Also, if you like the videos and you'd like to consider becoming part of the team, please click on this link. It'll take you to our Patreon site where it'll have more information on how you can help us out. Till next time, fair winds.